Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. We are not facilitating the sale of firearms.
Greetings, Uverse. Welcome to Gunverse YouTube channel. Today we're trying my TX22 with CCI Shot shells. We're going to see if it cycles properly. We're going to see if it functions the way it should. I'm pretty sure I haven't seen anybody else try and do that yet. So last video I added this Sig Foxtrot flashlight, mainly just to help with weight. So we're going to see if I can acquire a sight picture better this time, and we're going to see if those CCI Shot shells will run through this. Quick channel update real quick. I want to give a shout out to our new subscriber, Adrian. He was number 405. We're getting closer to 500 and our goal of being monetized. So thank you for watching, and we've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. We've got the chronograph. I've got a GoPro, so we'll be getting better footage from here on out. So stay tuned. All right, so I have set up here. I've got a 22 round TX22 magazine that I'm going to run just to show you how it works properly. And then here is the original magazine with a +3, and I have the CCI Shot shells loaded up. If you don't know what a CCI Shot shell is, it's for like small varmints and pests. It essentially makes a shotgun blast type discharge from the firearm. So like I said, we're going to run this one first just to check the function, and then we're going to run the CCI Shot shells. And I want to spread this cardboard out. I want to see how good of a spread we get with the CCI Shot shells if they work. So stay tuned. We'll take you out to the zero range and get this set up. All right, so I got 22 rounds loaded up in my TX22, and I'm going to try to hit the bottom left clay target. I'll see how I do. All right, so I consistently hit the same spot, which means I'm getting warmer. So I moved up a little bit. Let's try it again. I'm going for the bottom left. Nice. All right, so one malfunction, but I was able to hit 2 clay targets, which is a Gunverse first for me. So let's switch up to the CCI Shot shells, and I want to show you the pattern. All right, so we got the CCI Shot shells loaded up. This might be a YouTube first. Chambered just fine. All right, so it's clearly not cycling. But that's actually good to know. It's not ejecting. So that's why it wasn't cycling. It's not grabbing and ejecting like it does with the others. I'll have to compare the shells to see if they're different or not. But like I said, that's actually good to know. So if I need to take a single shot at something, I still can with the FRT. So the more you know, the better. Okay, so important fact, the CCI Shot shells fire at 1,000 feet per second, which meaning it was a lot quieter too. So subsonics don't usually run cleanly in FRTs. So that would probably explain the single shots. But with all that being said, check this out. Look at the back of the cardboard. You see all the little, these are all CCI Shot shell fragments. You can see that's a regular 22, and then that's all shot shell. It's harder to see on the front, but you can see it's peppered all over the cardboard. And you can see all the little holes on the, it wasn't strong enough. You can see daylight through the clays. So I mean, it was strong enough to penetrate, but not totally break it. So I don't know, experiment not totally failed, but I just had to check it out. I had to know the answer to the question. Just as it was killing me. So thank you for joining us, folks, on this week's episode of Gunverse. Stay tuned for next week. Snowpocalypse 26 is hopefully over. Cross our fingers. We still got about 8 inches of snow out here. It's still really hard to get out here and stuff, but the range appears to be intact, so I'm happy with that. So stay tuned for the future, and we'll see you next time. God bless.